Imagine just for a moment that scrolling through your Instagram feed is your new Sunday morning ritual. Twitter hashtags aren't just trending topics, but pathways to enlightenment and Facebook groups are the new congregations. Welcome to a thought experiment where social media isn't just part of our daily routine, it is our spiritual guide. I'm not talking about replacing your morning meditation with more screen time. No, I'm diving deeper. What if social media platforms became the new churches, mosques, temples, and synagogues? What if these platforms transformed into the primary spaces for community, worship, and moral guidance? In this new reality, your spiritual leaders might not wear robes or stand at pulpits. Instead, they're behind screens, maybe thousands of miles away, guiding millions with tweets, posts, and live streams. Consider the hashtag. Simple, right? But in our scenario, #blessed and #thankful aren't just tags, they're modern psalms, shared and meditated upon by millions. These aren't just words, they're prayers sent out into the void of the internet, hoping for a like, a share, or even a save. And what about confessionals? Imagine anonymous confession pages where you divulge your deepest sins, not to a priest, but to the anonymity of a digital crowd. The responses? They aren't penances, but comments, likes, and sometimes an empathetic emoji. Community is built in the comment section, virtual choirs sing in harmony through TikTok duets, and moral debates are no longer confined to the walls of a sacred hall but sprawl across subreddits and forums. Let's not forget the element of control. Religious institutions traditionally guide moral landscapes, but now, imagine algorithms dictating what virtues are highlighted or what sins are spotlighted based on trending topics and user engagement. But here's a critical question. Can a platform truly foster a genuine spiritual experience? Or does the digital divide dilute the sacred, turning profound human connections into superficial digital interaction? As we ponder this, let's also think about the implications for society. How would such a shift affect our understanding of morality, community, and identity? Would spirituality become more inclusive or just another echo chamber tailored by algorithms to suit our biases? Before you go, reflect on this. In a world where likes can be bought and trends can be manufactured, what becomes of genuine spiritual growth and enlightenment? Is it possible for us to find true spiritual connection through a screen? I leave you with these thoughts not as answers, but as sparks. Sparks to ignite conversations, to question, and to explore the boundaries of what spirituality could mean in the age of social media. What do you think? Could social media truly be the new temples of our time? Let's discuss this in the comments below. And if you found this thought-provoking, consider subscribing for more explorations into the curious corners of our digital and real worlds.